Hello friend, and welcome to the channel. Recently I posted a review for a set of clip-on headphones for the Oculus Quest 2, and I was saying that I wish there was something just like it for the PSVR 2. Well, today I've got something exciting to share with you. The awesome folks at Globular Cluster have reached out to me to do a review of the Globular Cluster PH2 clip-on headphones for the PlayStation VR 2. Before we begin, I want to let you know that no money's changed hands. This isn't a sponsored video. I didn't pay for these headphones, they're purely for review. Globular Cluster have asked me to give my honest opinion on them, and they don't get to see the video before you do. They don't get any creative control over this video or its content, and they don't get to see it before you do. Let's jump right in. First impressions matter, and this packaging does not disappoint. The outer sleeve is sleek, black and adorned with gold and blue accents. It's a head turner, no doubt. And inside, the contents are held securely with no jostling around. Alright, now let's get this unboxed. The clip-on headphones, specifically designed for the PlayStation VR 2, have a sturdy build. They may look a tad more plastic than the Kiwi Designs clip-ons I recently reviewed, but trust me, they mean business. Installation of these headphones is a breeze. Clip them onto the VR2 headset and voila! They even have the same style retention bracket as the bundled Sony headphones. And no more dealing with the underwhelming sound quality of those bundled Sony headphones, or the bulkiness of my regular gaming headset, a Razer Cairo Pro, which is a great convenience. Comfort is crucial when you're in a race. These clip-on headphones are lightweight, and once positioned you'll hardly feel them. However, I must admit, they can be a bit fickle to keep in the same spot between uses, and occasionally decide to catch up my glasses when putting on the headset. Annoying, but not a deal breaker. You can get around this by actually turning the headphones to 90 degrees, and this will put them clear of your glasses, no problem. Okay, let's talk about the real game changer here, sound. Compared to the bundled headphones, it's like night and day. The audio quality is deep, resonant and simply epic. The revving engines and screeching tyres take on a whole new level of intensity. Beyond that, I'm now able to pick out everything from the exact position of my rival's car thanks to its engine noise, to little details like birdsong and wind noises at high speed. It's like being in the driver's seat, completely immersed. For me, that's not the best part of these headphones. These clip-on headphones can easily be adjusted to find that sweet spot. Need more punch? Move them a bit. Want to fine-tune the sound? Go right ahead. Want to be able to hear what else is going on in the room? Pull them away from your ears. They'll stay there. It's all about that custom racing experience. As always on this channel, it's not about arbitrary scores or ratings. All I can really tell you is if this is a product which I would freely choose to use again. In actual fact, the Globular Cluster PH2 clip-on headphones have earned a permanent spot in my racing setup. The immersion they bring is next level, and I highly recommend them to elevate your VR racing adventures. If you like what you see here and you want to get one for yourself, I can tell you this product retails for about $69.99 US, but it's currently 30% off on the website, so about $48.99, which is a great saving, and they do ship to many locations in the world. I'll leave a link in the description, and also that's an affiliate link, so using it helps to support the channel as well, so it's a win-win. In conclusion, there's not much more I can say. It's a good product, it does exactly what it says on the tin, and it's one that I would personally use, and I do personally use now every time I race in VR. So that is my way really of recommending this product, that I use it myself. I want to say a big thank you to Globular Cluster VR for reaching out to me for this review. And of course, a big thank you to our channel sponsor Button Bashers, to our Patreon patrons who support the channel in their unique way, and to Discord, who are always there to bully me. Until next time, be good to yourselves, be good to those around you. Bye bye for now.